Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's super close to my heart. Something that truly separates the good waxers from the truly exceptional ones. You might have your certificate hanging on the wall, you might know your hard wax from your soft wax, but I'm here to tell you that the real magic, the stuff they don't teach you in beauty school, goes way beyond technique. We're talking about the secrets that transform a routine appointment into a memorable experience. The kind that builds a loyal following for life. So grab your notebook, because I am about to share 5 game-changing secrets that will elevate your waxing game from good to absolutely great. Let's start with the most important one, and it has nothing to do with how you hold your spatula. It's this: your energy precedes your technique. Think about it. A client walks into your room, often feeling vulnerable, a little anxious, maybe even embarrassed. Before you even touch them, they're picking up on your vibe. Are you rushed, stressed, distracted, or are you calm, present, and grounded? Your state of mind transfers directly to your client. If you are a sea of tranquility, they will feel safe enough to float. If you're a bundle of nerves, they'll tense up, and we all know what a tense muscle means for a wax pull. It means more pain, more resistance, and a less pleasant experience. So before your first client of the day, take a minute, breathe, center yourself, leave your personal problems at the door. Your calm is the most valuable tool in your kit. It's the silent welcome that says, "You're safe here. I've got you." This is the foundation upon which every great service is built. Secret number 2 is all about that golden gooey stuff itself. Perfect wax temperature is your brand's unique fingerprint. Now, every beauty school teaches you to test the wax on your wrist. That's waxing 101. But a great waxer develops an almost intuitive feel for it. It's not just about avoiding burns. It is about optimizing the performance of your specific wax on your specific client's skin and hair type. Is the wax gliding on like warm honey, or is it dragging? Is it setting too fast, becoming brittle, or is it taking forever to firm up? This is where you become a true artisan. You learn to read the room's temperature, the client's skin temperature, and adjust accordingly. Your consistency in achieving that perfect, pliable, effective temperature becomes your signature. Clients may not be able to put it into words, but they'll know. They'll say things like, "It just feels better when you do it." That better is your mastery over the heat, your personal brand identity, melted into every pot of wax. It's the comfort and reliability that keeps them coming back. Alright, moving on to secret number 3. And this one is about rhythm and flow. I call it the 3-second rule. Stretch, pull, press. 1, 2, 3. It's a dance. You stretch the skin taut, giving it a firm foundation. You pull the strip with a swift, confident motion, parallel to the skin, and you immediately apply pressure to the area with your hand. Stretch, pull, press. This sequence is non-negotiable, but what separates the great from the good is the asterisk intention asterisk behind it. You're not just going through the motions. The stretch isn't just a suggestion. It's a critical step that minimizes pain and prevents lifting the skin. The pull isn't hesitant, it's decisive. And the press, that's the moment of comfort. It's an immediate neurological trick that tells the brain to focus on the sensation of pressure, not the fleeting sting of the pull. It's a gesture of care. Rushing this process, or, even worse, being hesitant, is where things go wrong. Hesitation causes pain. Rushing causes sloppy work and missed hairs, but mastering this 3-second dance, that's where you find the perfect rhythm of efficiency and empathy. This brings me seamlessly to secret number 4, which is a profound truth. Pain fades faster when trust comes first. Let's be honest, waxing involves a level of discomfort. We can minimize it, but we can't always eliminate it. However, the client's perception of that pain is directly linked to their trust in you. When a client trusts you completely, they relax. They breathe with you. They know you are skilled, confident, and have their best interest at heart. This trust isn't built in a day. It's built through consistent communication. It's asking, "How is the temperature for you?" It's explaining what you're about to do before you do it. It's checking in with them throughout the service. It's also about what you don't do. You don't gossip. You don't judge. You create a bubble of confidentiality and professionalism. When you've earned that deep level of trust, a client can withstand the brief moment of a wax pull because they are emotionally secure. They know you're in control. The physical sensation is temporary, but the feeling of being in unsafe or unskilled hands can linger long after they've left your salon. Prioritize building that fortress of trust, and the pain factor will diminish in its shadow. And finally, my fifth and favorite secret, the mirror moment. For a great waxer, confidence begins long before the first strip is even applied. The service isn't just about hair removal. It's about instilling confidence. It starts with the way you greet them. It's in the way you discuss their desired outcome. But the mirror moment is the grand finale. When the service is over, and you hand them the mirror to check the results, that is your moment of truth. A good waxer just hopes they like it. A great waxer engineers this moment. You've already done the work. You've been meticulous. You've tweezed any stray hairs. You've applied a soothing, calming oil that leaves the skin glowing, not red and angry. So when they look in that mirror, they don't just see smooth skin. They see the result of your artistry and care. They see themselves looking and feeling their best. You should be standing there with a confident smile, not an anxious one, because you already know you've delivered excellence. That post-wax glow isn't just a side effect. It is the beautiful final chapter of the story you've created for your client during their time with you. It's the feeling they take with them out into the world, and it's the reason they'll be telling their friends about the amazing waxer they just found. So, let's recap these 5 secrets. First, your calm energy is your most powerful tool. Second, perfect wax temperature is your unique brand signature. Third, master the 3-second dance of stretch, pull, press. Fourth, build trust to minimize the perception of pain. And fifth, create a powerful mirror moment that solidifies their confidence. Notice that none of these are about a fancy new product or a complicated technique. They are about intention, empathy, and presence. Mastery in our field isn't just about removing hair. It's about creating a positive human connection. It's about listening to the skin before you even touch it, timing your pull with the client's exhale, and understanding that your posture affects both your precision and your ability to connect. It's about creating a space that smells safe and feels welcoming. Great waxers don't just chase smooth skin, they create smooth, positive energy. Your consistency in delivering this high-level experience is what will build your reputation faster and more solidly than any marketing campaign ever could. Because in the end, every post-wax glow is a story, not just a service. And you are the author. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope these insights help you on your journey from being a good waxer to a truly great one. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And do you forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these secrets resonated with you the most. Until next time, keep glowing.